Hey guys, what's up? I want to get straight to the point in this video because I don't like long intros, so I'm pretty sure you guys don't either. I'm literally just gonna show you guys how I did this hairstyle. They're like little zigzag parts, and yeah, don't mind my messy background. I know I said that in every video, but don't look at it. No. So basically I tried and attempted to explain how I cornrow my hair, like the steps, just in case there's people that don't know how to cornrow, because I learned watching YouTube videos, so I thought it'd be helpful. So let me know if it was helpful. If it wasn't, I'm sorry. I tried. I'll try again next time if it was bad. I think it was alright. I mean, you just replay it, you know. I didn't keep saying it over and over again though. So yeah, that's the point of this video. Watch me do my hair, watch me struggle, because that's all I did in this video, like literally. But that's just how I am with my hair. So yeah, straight to the point. Boom, bang, bang, boom. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a like, drop a comment. Hope you guys enjoy this video. So I just freshly washed and deep conditioned my hair, and it's already 3:53, right? And I have more stuff to do today, so I don't want to be here for 10 years. So the purpose of this video, I'm literally just gonna be braiding my hair. And I usually do stuff like this and I leave it for like a week or so, but I usually do like those lazy little 2 pigtails, like not even cornrows, like the 2 pigtails, and I just leave it like that for like days. But I'm gonna not be lazy. I'm gonna do some like cute type of cornrow thing. I'm not sure what,
because my head is really big.
but I don't know. I'm gonna do something like with maybe some zigzag. I was gonna let it air dry, but I'm like, no, I don't have time for that. I feel like my hair is decently dry, but oh gosh, I'm stupid. Anyways, my hair's pretty detangled. Let's part the middle first. So I'm trying to do some type of zigzag stuff. I'm not like necessarily rushing this, but I also don't want to be doing this for like 2 hours. Like, it's already 4. Yeah, I washed my hair with Shea Moisture, the Manuka honey, and what's it called, Manuka honey and yogurt, something like that, some type of yogurt that they use, and it smells so good. I used that to wash it. To deep condition, I used the deep treatment Shea Moisture one.
It's not crisp at all. There you go.
But yeah, I don't know what I'm saying.
Oh, brother!
I haven't posted in a really long time. There's people that notice, and then there's people that don't. And then like, it's not like I'm purposely not posting. I really just either, a lot of things play into it. One, I don't be knowing what to post, right? There's that. Like, I want to post good content, right? Then 2, I'm doing online school, so I signed my life away when I stepped into that one, you know? Okay, so I actually did that pretty quick. Like, that actually took me less than a minute, if I'm being honest. And I'm surprised that the back was easier than the front. But so I'm just gonna tie this away, and I should have done this half first, because y'all could see this half. Okay, let's do that then. I'm trying to do like more stuff to my hair to the point that I don't have to like touch it anymore, you know. I never done this before, like zigzag. I don't think I have. And if I have, okay, they're big. The other ones are it's like small. Okay,
I thought my hair dry would be more manageable. Meanwhile,
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
I was struggling, but I think I did like fairly well. fairly light. So I don't want to talk too much because I feel like I talk a lot, but then at the same time it's fun to talk, you know what I mean? So I want these fairly slick because my hair gets frizzy pretty fast. Gotta take out my side because that is important. I like it to like swoop but also go up at the same time, you know? So yeah, like this. Okay,
Can you guys hear me good?
as you can see, I had the little zigzag thing going on. I tried my best, so yeah. So I just I part right here, and that's gonna be my starting piece. I'm a visual learner, I don't know about you guys, but so you split it into 3. I'm gonna try to talk. And then what you do is like, so you see how I have this one with my right hand, I have my thumb and my index finger. I'm gonna bring it under the middle piece, and then it's like literally a normal braid. So normally braid, right? Now this is where it gets more
Handy dandy.
So I have my right hand. I'm gonna literally just swoop. I'm gonna swoop my finger, and I'm gonna like catch a piece that's free under, and I'm taking it with me and putting it into the braid. So like now I have extra piece in the middle piece. So here, more visual, like there's a little piece right here. I'm gonna literally just add it to my left piece, bring it under. So like that's what you keep doing, and you only do that to the side pieces. Like you're always gonna grab a little piece, add it to the side, and bring it under to the middle. And you just repeat that over and over. Literally. I don't know if me talking helped. I don't know if it made it worse. But I tried. And I feel like that's what matters.
Child. Anyway, so
Just want to make sure that it lays down and doesn't get frizzy like 2 days from now because I'll cry. So I'm gonna keep that out, but bring this in and bring it under. I'm going under. You could braid on top too. I forgot what's the difference. I forgot which one's a French and which one's a Dutch, to be honest, but like there's Dutch braids and there's French braids. If you don't know the difference, search it up. Make sure to keep adding gel and detangle as you go so you don't have any knots and frizzy places. One braid done. She's a runner, she's a track star. She got the way when it gets hard. She got the tune because it's hard. Hit it with the tunes of it's song. Yeah, that because I know that. Oh wow.
Boy, if you don't.
What's good, y'all? My camera died and I ended up doing what I had to do with the rest of my day. So yeah, it's now 7 o'clock and I was stating the time to y'all earlier. Been a good 2 hours. That's not even that bad. I finished like at 5:20, which was my goal. Woo! So if you guys stuck around this long, I just want to say thank you. Also, thank you for all the support I've been getting. Like, even when I don't post, you guys still show me love, and like every little thing counts to me. Like, it could be one new view on a video and I literally want to shed a tear, but like I'm grateful for everything. Like, I don't know, I'm gonna start getting better. So I know I say that a lot, but I really am. I had a long day today, alright? If you guys have any ideas of what I could post next, or what you guys want to see me do, whatever the case may be. Also, if you have any questions about this video or any other questions about anything else, just drop them down below and I answer them as quickly as I can. Follow me on all my socials and subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment and a like. My hair's long. Stop playing with me. Thank you guys for watching. Let me shut up. Bye.
Put the needle on the record.